Yo, this song is awesome. I wonder if someone's mapped this on Osu. I mean, I guess I could just try mapping it myself. It shouldn't be too difficult, right? How else can Sotarks pump out 1-2 jump maps like they're nothing? Okay, so I don't really know what's going on here. Maybe I should look up a tutorial.
Hello there, so what even is all of this? Excuse me? What do these mean? So many options, so many choices, so many words. Where I'd start the map. If you're not too familiar with music, this is usually the first important sound. But again, if you don't know what to listen for, I'll move it by.
Few moments later.
Alright, I think I got this. I'm ready to start mapping. Alright, I think I can start playing my map. Let's test it out. Yeah, I don't think this mapping thing is for me.
Many months later.
Man, I really wish this song had a map. Maybe I should try mapping again.
Click the